Welcome to the Begley Library tutorial on how to write an annotated bibliography. If at any point you need assistance or have a question, please do not hesitate to contact a librarian. There are three types of bibliographies you may encounter in your academic career. The annotation may consist of 1, 2, or 3 paragraphs. Please be sure to check with your instructor to confirm which type of annotation they are looking for and any additional information they are looking for, as well as the length of the annotation. All annotated bibliographies are organized as you would your works cited, references, or bibliography, alphabetically by the first word in each citation. The annotation goes beneath the citation. All entries of an annotated bibliography begin with a properly formatted full citation of the source. Check with your instructor whether they want APA, Chicago, MLA, or another format for the citation. Each annotation paragraph has a 1-inch block indentation. Be sure to skip a line between paragraphs of your annotation. For a 1-paragraph annotated bibliography, you will summarize each source in 1 to 3 sentences. Be sure to indicate the topic, thesis or research question, and any conclusions the authors have found. As with all assignments, please check if your instructor has any specific directions and follow those. For a 2-paragraph annotation, you will be creating 2 paragraphs. The first paragraph will summarize the source in 1 to 3 sentences. Be sure to indicate the topic, thesis or research question, and any conclusions the authors have found. The second paragraph will include your evaluation and reflection of the source. Begin by evaluating the source's strengths. Consider the following questions. Use the acronym KOALA, koala, to remember these questions. K. Knowledge. Does the author appear knowledgeable and qualified to write on the subject? O. Objective. What is the purpose of the source? Does the creator intend to persuade or inform, to educate or entertain? Is it written for the general public or for experts? A. Accuracy. Is this the latest information on the topic? When was this published? Are there references listed? L. Leaning. Does the source appear to lean towards one side or the other? Was it sponsored by a company that has a lean or specific viewpoint? Does it attempt to persuade you? A. Applicability. Is the content related to your topic? Does it help you answer a research question or provide background information? Is the information too simple or overly detailed? As with all assignments, please check if your instructor has any specific directions and follow those. For a 3-paragraph annotation, you will be creating 3 paragraphs. The first paragraph will summarize the source in 1 to 3 sentences. Be sure to indicate the topic, thesis or research question, and any conclusions the authors have found. The second paragraph will evaluate the source. Begin by evaluating the source's strengths. Consider the following questions. Use the acronym KOALA, K-O-A-L-A, to remember these questions and more. K. Knowledge. Does the author appear knowledgeable and qualified to write on the subject? O. Objective. What is the purpose of the source? Does the creator intend to persuade or inform, to educate or entertain? Is it written for the general public or for experts? A. Accuracy. Is this the latest information on the topic? When was this published? Are there references listed? L. Leaning. Does the source appear to lean towards one side or the other? Was it sponsored by a company that has a lean or specific viewpoint? Does it attempt to persuade you? The difference between a 2-paragraph and 3-paragraph annotation is that the final letter of koala, the second A, applicability, is addressed in its own paragraph with more detail. A. Applicability. Is the content related to your topic? Does it help you answer a research question or provide background information? Is the information too simple or overly detailed? As with all assignments, please check if your instructor has any specific directions and follow those. If at any point you need assistance or have a question, please do not hesitate to contact a librarian.